What's happening, ghoulies? Welcome back to the Voina experience. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. Oh man, ghoulies, we have got some extra fun surprises in store for you, and that is we are going to be unboxing the 2024 Home Depot animatronic Frankenstein. That's right, ghoulies, it is our first animatronic of the 2024 season, and I cannot wait to open it. I have been obsessing over this animatronic ever since I saw the teaser video for it and the first pictures, and then I saw the videos and the servo and Frankenstein. So we've got Frankenstein, ghoulies, so we're not gonna waste any more time. We are gonna get down to this unboxing, the setup, and demonstration of Frankenstein from Home Depot. Alright, ghoulies, so we have got the gigantic big old box of Frankenstein. You can see him here. It says 7-foot animated Frankenstein. And ghoulies, this is an officially licensed Universal Studios Frankenstein. So I absolutely cannot wait to open this box. So we're gonna open it. I got the scissors right here. And we're gonna open up, right? I have no idea, this is the first time. I don't know what's in this. I don't know what it looks like. I have no idea if we got anything special. Oh, it looks like there's a box inside of a box. Even better. Oh, look at this, ghoulies. The instructions are printed on the flap of the box. Ingenious. Good thinking, Home Depot. Looks pretty intricate though, so I kind of hope we'll be able to understand these directions, but you can see them right here. Right on the flap are the instructions, and inside here we got another box. So I'm not gonna try and take that out. We're just gonna take that out maybe after we get Frankenstein out of there. Because, oh yeah, so we got no fancy collector's box. That's sort of the downside to pre-orders, is that although you get them ahead of time, you don't get the fancy box. You get Gennaro box. All right, okay, no, so here is some additional instructions. So you get some instructions printed here. This is a use and care guide. And then you get regular instructions right here. And you get some more right here. It's like they should have been attached, but they're not. And you get two different papers. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Oh, now it's gonna be one of them things where it's all, oh, see, you package it. Okay, so, all right. I'll make sure that we're able to see everything, guys. Okay.
I think the head is in there.
Head's in, well, the head should be in here. We got the base coming out of here.
Wow, that's big.
All right.
Ah! I'm gonna save the meal's life.
Okay. We got the hip piece right here.
Just for me.
All right. Got a pole here. We got another leg pole here. We got another little piece here. It looks like an arm. Yeah, this is obviously an arm of some sort. Foam pieces for the leg. Oh, we got some more foam pieces. Another arm piece right here. Okay, now, ghoulies, this is where it's gonna get fun because we got zip ties and things attached. Let's see, where did the scissors go? Do I have scissors? Yep, I got them right here. We're gonna get rid of the zip tie. Bee poles! We got the bee poles! Okay, what else we got coming out here? All right, should we try to get, let's see, what's this? Oop. Cardboard. Let's throw that over here. All right, ghoulies, here comes the head right here. So check out Frankenstein's head. Ah! Ah!
It feels weird. feel it.
What does it feel like?
It feels like
Feel it.
it feels like a mochi or some sort.
A mochi? Feel it. Feel the face. What's it feel like? Oh.
It's like a mask.
Oh, that does have a definitely interesting quality to it, you guys. It doesn't feel like a typical animatronic latex. It feels like all stretchy and weird, but look how cool. Oh, and he's got hair and his head's all flat. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Look at the bolts. Oh, we gotta get rid of this L. I don't want that on his face. Head. All right, another piece of cardboard. And here we've got, I'm assuming, we have his shoulders. Yep. Looks like we've got some damage on the shoulders. A little damage here, guys, so beware. This is a really, really flimsy plastic piece for the shoulders. So I'm gonna have to maybe get some tape to re-secure that together before we put it on, because yeah, that's probably
Why did
gonna
that
eventually
happen?
tear.
Like, how did that happen? That's not fair.
Yeah, that's just the way it goes, honey. It should have been made better, huh?
Yeah.
Here,
Home Depot.
let me lend you a hand.
Oh, his hands feel not. His hands are not like flexible like the other.
No, but look at those hands.
It looks like Thing, like the monster crawlers.
Now here we go again. I wonder why we're. Yeah, it does look like the Thing hand, doesn't it? Put it on the shoulder. We got these ridiculous stickers.
I need to go away right now.
But here we got the hands, and I'm digging the fact that you get like, you have like the little, you know, where his hand was sewn on is like this little surgery part there. Like that's kind of cool detail, guys. I'm digging it. Super digging it. You got the shoes. Look at these shoes, you guys. These things are huge. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of
They're
these
bigger than my
feet.
hand.
Feetos. And once again,
They're bigger than my head.
horribly placed stickers. Why would you place the stickers on the top part of the feet? Put them on the back. Come on, Home Depot. I gotta sit here for an hour and a half. Okay, now we've got the mech piece coming out here with this control box and this little cool looking motor there. That's pretty awesome and interesting. Check it out, guys. All right. Here is his costume piece. Everybody's like hating on the costume, but y'all, it's Frankenstein. He didn't wear like an awesome costume. He wore like tattered, battered clothes that they got from a corpse. He's not gonna have a lot of detail. Did you ever watch the movie? Watch the movie. His clothes are impressive. Got some more cardboard. We don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. We got some sort of a hip connector or the middle piece that's, I'm guessing, connecting his legs and the, you know, and all that nonsense. That, don't need that, don't need that. And here is the box for the adapter, and here's the adapter. I'm not sure why the adapter wasn't in the box, but there it is.
I'm confused with all this. I feel like the base is the wrong way.
Well,
Is the face
this is the front. This is the back. So now we need B poles. This doesn't seem too difficult, you guys. B poles go on here. B poles. Okay. B poles, and then the shoes. Good Lord, he's got like two slots here for the shoes.
Which slot does it go
These
in?
are gonna go in here.
What?
There we go. And then,
Feet. Oh, come on.
my Lord, these shoes are huge. Okay. Now, so you've got like these two slots, and this one right here is where the B pole goes, and this other slot here is where you put it like onto this little divot that's sticking up to secure the shoe from, so that way it doesn't slide around. Kind of like what it's doing. There we go. There. Okay, so there's that. Other leg pulls, and it looks like they're gonna go like this, where the knee part's gonna come down here. Okay, it's a little different. Okay, so there we have that. And now the leg foam.
Okay.
All right, let's put on
Turning out so funny.
leg number 1.
Turning out so funny.
Leg number 2. Okay. Connected. No, like that. Okay. All right. Oh. So it has like this little clip right here. I guess you're supposed to take this clip off like that, and then put it into the the sockets, and then you're supposed to, I guess you're just supposed to like clip it back on there. Not really sure what that's supposed to do. I guess just prevent the thing from coming out. Now we bring the pants up over his belly. Look at this belly. Wire here, wire here. You guys even excited to see this bad boy?
I'm so excited. He's big already.
I know, he's huge. Okay. Looks like you're gonna have to like wing nut this thing. So he's got some wing nuts. We got some wing nut pieces here you gotta take off before you can put the shoulder piece on. So let's... Yeah, that fits better. Ah! Look at this head. Like, look how incredibly realistic and detailed that face is. Look at the eyes. Got a little gash here. On top, we can see like the staples and like the surgery on his brain. That's cool. We got a little gash here on the neck. I mean, and this face is just so freaking cool. I mean, look at this. This is awesome, you guys. I am just loving this head. This head is like the best thing about this thing. All right, let's get him up here on this servo. Oh my Lord, I'm scared. I'm like scared, you guys.
Why are you scared?
Because he's a monster. He's a monster. He's looking at you, ghoulies. Okay, now, next is the shirt. And then we're going to plug in the sensor. I like the little creepy cloth elements that he's got like around his jacket here, guys. Like, this is kind of cool, little fun stuff. And then looks like it's his arms and his hands. now the hands, Ghoulies. And we will have us a monster. I feel like I'm actually Dr. Victor Frankenstein building my monster, Ghoulies. I like to play. Oh. And this costume just fits too. No room for error here, Ghoulies. Well, Ghoulies, we have finally finished creating Frankenstein. And you can see, Ghoulies, that Frankenstein's huge! 7 feet tall. I mean, he's like, a whole monster in front of me. This is incredible. I want to flip the camera around now, guys, and get you a quick head-to-toe shot, and then we'll do his demo. Check out Frankie's feet. Look at those shoes. They're huge. Oh, Johnny Punk, eat your heart out. And then coming up here, we got some creepy cloth hanging. And, you know, you've got some sort of like weird liquid or blood splatter on there. Of course, it's not really red, so it's hard to say. Coming up then here to the rest of his clothes, more splatter goo, more creepy cloth. Here is his hands, these incredible looking hands with, you know, the surgical scars right here. And then over here on this hand, we've got some more creepy detail, more surgical scars. Absolutely loving it. And then Ghoulies coming up. There's his motion sensor. And to that lovely Poonum. Gosh, look at that face. It's so cool, you guys. Got a vein sticking out over here. You got a surgical gash up here. His brains. And then, man, I gotta like walk all the way around him. You got another surgical gash right there, and the bolts on his neck. Top of the head, flat the way it's supposed to be from Universal's Monster. And there you have, Ghoulies, Frankenstein from Home Depot. Awesome animatronic. Just even as the static version of it right here, it is incredible and completely worth every penny. This thing is awesome. All right, guys, well, we're gonna shut off the lights and get to the demo of Frankenstein.
Look out! Tie him up quickly! Get him downstairs!
There we go.
I created this! Do you see? A living being! I created life! Look out! Tie him up quickly! Get him downstairs! I created this! Do you see? A living being! I created life!
guys so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the unboxing of Frankenstein just as much as we had fun setting him up. Look for Frankenstein in upcoming shorts and in our haunt decoration for this upcoming season. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you're hitting that subscribe button, turning on those notifications so that way you don't miss any future videos. And until next time, we'll catch you later, ghoulies! Rah, rah, rah.